Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Optimizer. So this is the series of part design. Again we have came with a new part, that is control block. Okay, so if you just see this is the dimensions of the part. Okay, so as we have discussed in earlier video, we need to decide two things. First is how many number of steps required to complete that part, and second one is from which direction we need to start the model. Okay, so suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So I'm going to start from this x-axis because this is a continuous part from this one. So firstly I'm going to draw this portion, that is C type, and I'm going to pad it by total 100. Okay, that is first part. Now in second step I'm going to draw this profile and pad it by whatever thickness given of this one, it is around 10 mm. So I'm going to pad it. In third step I'm going to pad this backside part, and fourth part I'm going to drill a hole like this one. Okay, so this is how we are going to complete this one. So we are going to start from this x direction. So firstly I'm going to draw this C section. Okay, so let us start. So sketch, I'm going to select this plane. Okay, and now you can start with profile. So it will be like this. So if you just see, I'm going to draw a profile, this profile. Okay, so coming back to down, and then we need to close this C section like this. Like this. Okay, and just double click here. Okay, and now just give the dimension. Total length of this is 70. Okay, so this middle part is around only 18, this is 38. Okay, 70, 38 and 18. So these are some dimension we need to give first. So this one is 70. Okay, now this middle part is 18, and now this part is 38. Okay, 38. Now just move one by one like this, which will be like this. Now you can give the dimension or the remaining, that is, if you just see, this is this total width is 28, this height is 7.8 and 7.8. so just give, this is 7.8, and this also it is 7.8, and this total height is around, it is 28. So enter 28 here. So these dimensions are given, and this is exactly at the center. So total height of this is 38. So 70 minus 38, it is around 32. So from this to this it is only 16. So it will become exactly at the center. Now 17 minus 18, it is 17 minus 18, it is around 52. So it should be 52 divided by 2. 52 divided by 2, it should be like this. Just click on OK. Correct. So this is now exactly at the center. Okay, now just click on exit workbench. Now we need to pad it. How much width is there? Total 100 mm pad you required. So just click on pad, click here and just enter 100. Okay, so if you want this in reverse direction, just click on reverse direction, click on OK. Okay, so we have just pad this one. Now next part we are going to draw this profile. Okay, so if you just focus on this middle slot, this is elongated hole, and one more elongated hole is there. Okay, so let us start how to draw that one. Okay, so for that you need to select this face first. So go to sketch, I'm going to select this face. Okay, and here you can draw that first elongated hole from this to this like this, and from again this to this like this. Okay, now you need to draw one vertical line here, and that you need to make this tangent to this one. Okay, so let us start again. So just go to profile. I'm going to draw one. So I'm going to project this edge. So first you can project this edge with the help of this project 3D element. Now I'm going to draw one vertical line here. From this point I'm going to draw one vertical line, and from this also I'm going to draw one vertical line like this. Okay, now I'm going to make this line tangent with this circle. So just go to this and make them tangency, and from this to this again go here and make them tangency. Okay, and now you can trim this extra portion. This portion also we don't require, and this one. Okay, now you can give dimensions. So if you just see, the center distance is 56, and this total slot is 17.1. okay, so it is this dimension. Okay, so we just define here 17.1 divided by 2. okay, so that is first, and second one is it is R22. So just double click here and make R22. okay, so this is how the basic structure is ready. Now the distance, if you just see from this bottom, it is 54. From that bottom it is 54. okay, so just go here and just give dimension. So from this center line is around 52 from this one, so just enter 52. okay, now last part, you need to draw this part. okay, so this part, how to draw this one? Again you can use a elongated hole. I'm going to draw this to this like this, and now I'm going to draw here. okay, now the outer diameter is R16 and inner diameter is 515, and this total distance is from this center it is at 50 mm. okay, from this center it is at 50 mm. So how to draw that one? So the inner diameter is, outer diameter is 16, so enter 16 here. And one more thing, it is exactly at the center, so this should be 50. okay, now next part, there is one small hole which is located here and which has a diameter of 15 mm. This diameter is as 15 mm, correct, and from this center this point is 50, that is 50. okay, now you can trim all unnecessary parts. So we don't require this. Just double click on this quick trim. So just all the unnecessary part you can trim from this like this. Now you need to bring the make this as a vertical so that it will be fully constrained. okay, so one more part is left here, so just trim this also. okay, so now again this sketch is fully constrained, so again exit workbench and just pad it. So pad it by how much pad is there? So total this one is 10 mm thickness, so just go here and make it 10 mm, enter 10 here and reverse direction and click on OK. So this part is ready. Now this part we have completed, and last part is you need to draw this. okay, here, so just go here, go to sketch and you can draw here. So you can just project this part here, or you can draw it again. So for understanding purpose we will draw it again like this. One more thing, this should be horizontal, so just go here and make them horizontal. And one more elongated hole is there from this to this, and you can draw here. okay, and now go to project. You can draw randomly like this. I have drawn it. You can delete this one, and now you can select this and just make it project tangent. This and this should be again tangency. And now you can trim unnecessary parts, so we don't require this part, this and this. okay, and you can give a same dimensions are there. So we will directly select this part and this part and make them coincident, okay, like this. And you can delete this dimensions, as we are going to coincident it, we don't require any dimensions, so just make them coincident. Also this circle and this edge are, you can make them coincident, like, okay. And also this and this, you can make them coincident, okay. Now just see, the again sketch is fully constrained, we have drawn here. So exit workbench and just pad it by 10 mm, 10 mm reverse direction, just click on ok, okay. So we have almost completed 80% of this one. So only two holes remaining. So this is first hole and second hole is here, which is at center distance is 64 and which is our 19 mm from this part, okay. So how to draw this one, just see. So just go to sketch again, and now you need to select this face and where we need to pocket it. So first, second, and now you can take this and this, it is 12.5, diameter is 12.5, this diameter is also 12.5, and the center distance is 64, okay. And from this end it is at 19 mm, so from this it is at 19 mm, okay. And from one side it is exactly at the center, so we can take this to this as total, this is 70, so we can define this as a 35, okay. You can define this as 35, okay. Now just click on exit workbench and you can pocket it up to next, pocket up to next, just click on ok, okay. So almost we have completed. So small fillets are there, you can give the fillet, just like this is R5 fillet. So let us give that fillet and then we will conclude. So just go to fillet, select this edge and same edge opposite to that one, just 5 mm, and just click on ok. So this is how we need to complete a total model. So I hope you have understood. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and stay tuned to this channel, so for understanding a different component and its model. Thank you. We will stop here. Thank you very much.